family, and welcome back to the Ebony Odyssey. My name is Jermaine Long, and I am a servant of the Most High God. I appreciate you coming along, and as always, enjoy the journey. Today's topic is how to move forward. The support scripture I am using is Proverbs 6, verses 6. But I'm going to speak about Proverbs 6 through 11, because you can't use one of these without the other. And these wonderful proverbs come from the words of Solomon, one of the wisest kings ever. So it's always good stuff. So let me get right into it. Go to the ant, thou sluggard, consider her ways and be wise, which having no guide, overseer, or ruler, provided her meat in the summer and gathereth her food in the harvest. How long wilt thou sleep, O sluggard? When wilt thou arise out of thy sleep? Yet a little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to sleep, so shall thy poverty come as one that traveleth, and thy want as an armed man. So what I'm thinking about with this is, how to move forward. How did I really move forward to get here? And how you will be able to do the things that you want to do, whether it be anywhere you're trying to go. If you look at an ant, they're always working. And being here in Africa, I definitely understand how they work. I will pop a fly in a minute because it's landing on me, and an ant will come right by. A team of ants will come by, and they will scoop them up and take them onto the anthill. But if you see an ant, they're working. They're always making things happen to get where they want to go. They don't have to have somebody guiding them or overseeing them, but you can just see them working diligently. So they're always going to be able to provide for themselves. They're always going to be able to take care of themselves. And if you look at this scripture, that's what it's saying pretty much. How long will thou sleep? I'm not going to lie. Being over here and being away from the constant day-to-day is a blessing. But it just causes you to want to relax, and too much relaxation, too much sleep will basically put us in poverty. I say that because I have investments, but at the same time, I have to make a way for me, my family here, more than it was before. I can help, but at the same time, I need to produce. So how long will thou sleep, O sluggard? Yes, it's good to just lay in some days, but I have to get up. When wilt thou arise out of thy sleep? A little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to sleep. So shall thy poverty come as one that traveleth, and a want as an armed man. I love that, because when you're thinking about how you live, you're thinking about how you save money, you're thinking about how you spend money. You're putting off things for tomorrow. You're putting off things to next year. You're putting off things. People put off retirement. People put off having children. People put off having marriage. You can't put off these things, because at some point you're going to be in want. And it says, thy poverty shall come as one that traveleth, and thy want as an armed man. When you are armed, when you are seeking that what you need, you are willing to do anything, and you don't want to be in a situation where that lack has become so great that now your needs or your lack overshadows everything else. It is bad to get in those situations, so you always have to make sure that you are working diligently to accomplish the goals. And that's how you're going to be able to move forward. That's how you're going to be able to get where you want to go. And that's where I'm going to stop it at, guys. I just appreciate you coming along and listening. And always enjoy the journey.